Testing out the HDX 68 Maximus by HotSpot Airsoft. I actually really love this gun. It's beautiful. It feels, looks, sounds all like the real thing. Got the nice little sight on top. Muzzle brake on the end to knock you out if you get too close. And yeah, we're gonna shoot that paper towel roll because I don't have anything else to shoot and I just got it and I want to shoot it. I'm shooting these riot balls, hard rubber. I got better ones coming soon, some aluminum and PVC coated steel balls for don't come in my house ammo. But yeah, no, this thing's powerful, it's loud, and we're gonna see what's up. Real quick, we'll let you hear the rack. And yeah. So, as you can see, we're in there. I don't know if you can see how deep in we are, but oh wow. So full finger length deep. We're all the way through. So here's full finger length. Where the ball is in the center and wadded up in the tissue, but this thing is no joke at all. Like, these are the other shots that I put in, but this one was easily the most powerful. Went all the way through and blew a hole in the cardboard of the circle and the inside as well. Yeah, definitely couldn't pay me to get shot with that. Yeah, once the proper ammo is in it, definitely lethal if hit in the face in the right areas. You know what I mean? You like, even with the rubber balls, if you were to get hit in the eye, like, you're probably dead. You know, it's gonna go right through. So yeah, hit up HotSpot Airsoft because they're no joke and they do really, really killer modifications. And honestly, Umarex killed it with the HDX 68. It's the coolest air gun that I've seen. It's the most realistic looking, sounding, feeling, and you know, really, I just ordered a flashlight and a green dot or a green laser attachment for the underside of it. It's got the Picatinny rails. You can add, you know, pretty much anything to it, and yeah, I'm excited for that. But we'll do one more shot for you guys just so you can see. I'll see if I can just put it like right above or below it. But oh, and also for reference, I'm shooting from like my doorway, so that's like, I don't know, roughly like 15 to 18 feet probably, maybe 20 at most, but kind of cramped in here. The one thing about these is they do need to be fired in like 68 to 70 degree weather. You don't want too hot, obviously, but like anything above that is going to be fine as well. But like below 68 to 67 degrees is definitely gonna start to affect the gun. Had to turn my heat up in my house to get it like, you know, at a optimal temperature, but seems to be firing pretty well. We're sitting at about 68 degrees in my house right now. But yeah, we're gonna hit it one more time. Alright, so looks like I smacked the same hole. The accuracy of this thing is ridiculous, by the way. It's extremely accurate. That's like just the sights that are on it. I just put, just line it up, and there you go. And yeah, once again, same depth. Actually, wow, no, we're a little deeper, but I will say that's because it went in the same hole. But yeah, it definitely blew further in, but there we go. Yeah, no freaking joke at all. Like, imagine having to take two of them like that back to back in the same spot. Like, no way, not me. Yeah, very, very happy with the purchase of this gun. Like I said, I got some really good ammo coming that's gonna make me feel a lot better about living in the city of Pittsburgh. Also, leaving my girlfriend home alone, when I work long shifts and stuff like that, it's gonna make both of us feel a lot better. But yeah, man, well worth it. HotSpot Airsoft, they gave, it was like 25 free balls, 5 CO2 tanks. Very well, well worth every dollar. But yeah, she's a beast.